All right, welcome back again. Welcome back. How are we all doing today? So, I just want to give this announcement. It is very clear that things are going the way it's supposed to be. USB government have tried to make an announcement, which I would like to share with us based on the police recruitment that is ongoing as we speak. So, before then, I would like you to please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and tell us what you think about what we are going to talk about here. So the news is from COS handle. The video is not going to be too long. For some of you that are wondering, okay, are we going to spend long time here to do analysis on anything? There's not to announce here. There's not to analyze here. I just want to announce this update from USB government. And if you check on COS handle, it is there. It is there. So please do me a favor, like I said, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell us what you think about what we are here to talk about. What do you think about the recruitment? What do you think about this announcement? There's a rumor before now. I think I should say a statement from COS that there's some money that was mapped out for this recruitment or for police uniform, something like that. I believe it's not about the recruitment, it's about police, that like the uniform and the kits for police before the convention, before not convention, before the redeclaration, yes, of course, convention, yeah, in Finland. So, but that did not happen. CS stated that he transfers some amount of money. I can't remember the figure now. Maybe you can put it on commission. Tell us in case if you know what I'm talking about. You can also mention that on conversation that there's some amount of money that is it 15,000? I can't remember how much. I can't remember how much that was from 50. Is that 15 million? Sorry, or 25 million, something like that. Transferred to Ogenkere for that police uniform, like that they're supposed to display. One of the plan is to front Biafran police during the time of redeclaration, but that did not happen. And COS mentioned the amount. Some of I'm sure that I'm not the only one that watched that. Okay, I'm sure I'm not the only one. So, in case if you are aware of that, please mention that on conversation. So nothing happened, and Ogenkere did not show anything at all in that regard. So we are going to go through the write-up. As you can see here, COS mentioned that she made his post. Okay, on your screen now you are seeing that. Special announcement. Join the United States of Biafra USB police, not the Nigerian police, she said. Nigerian police recruitment certificate of death. Like the Nigerian police recruitment is a certificate for death. The United States of Biafra USB is currently recruiting able-bodied men and women of Biafran into the Biafran Police Department. Please contact this number here on your screen. Okay, this is her post. You can go there and verify. I'm just bringing it to your notice because I think some of you may not know this. Maybe you skipped it or something like that. So she made this post, and it is worth sharing. In case of anybody that is interested, you can do that. And the number here is what you can see. The number here, so that is number to contact. He said joining Nigerian police is a signature for Ocho from reintegrated terrorists who will buy you from behind, like from back. And there's an instance that, like, there's something that I saw, one video like that. Okay, I don't know how where I will get that video now, because I saw a video of Nigerian security department. I think that is a mobile police or army, something like that. They were kind of in their base, and terrorists decided to invade that place. As they're approaching, what happened is that they let some kind of they decided to hide themselves and kind of taking cover to fight back this terrorist group coming to to their base, like camp like that. And what happened? Their colleague in that same camp, lay their own weapon, position themselves very well to fire, with their firepower and everything. It kind of so that it kind of hiding, taking cover, okay, so that the firepower coming from terrorists will not hit them as they position themselves very well. Their supposed colleague in that base came out from their room, from where they are, and from behind make sure that all these people that position themselves, hoping that their teamwork, they're working together, they buy them and send them to judgment. All of them started kissing dust. Do you understand? So this statement that CS put here actually reminded me of that, because it is not just a mere talk. It is true. It is true. And if you doubt, the choice is yours. Okay, the choice is yours. I'm not here to tell you, if you do that, anything happen to you, no. But the truth is that what CS said about it is actually truth. So you need to consider that as well. Now, there's a screenshot I want to share with you, in case if you don't know, maybe you are still in doubt. Maybe if you are still in doubt, this is another. How will I expand it now so that it will be readable? Okay. Now the post on your screen now, you can see. Let me see if I can okay, zoom it out. Hopefully you can read it now. Hopefully. He said futures. That is from Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera made this post. He said 2 years after NSAS, police brutality in Nigeria goes on. So it's non-stop. The screenshot is just to remind you, like CS is the one that attached this on that post, that to remind you that joining this security department from people that you are not sure of them, you don't know their intention, you don't know their motive, is actually a kind of you putting your signature to something that may unalive you untimely. So think about it before you decide to go in. Another post and another screenshot that I want you to see is this one as well. Stay on police brutality, or how police, unalive people, especially those that are vowed to do the job as a police or as army or as a mobile police or whatever you may call that you may end up going for it. Like here, the cable, this is the Nigerian news platform as well, saying in detail, police buy 92 Nigerians in 1 year and justice delayed for victims. The truth is that maybe 92 should be one state. I don't believe. Who gave this figure? This figure is too small. It's too small. It should be one state or one region. Because how can you say that? Anyway, maybe they're saying that maybe I believe one state. One state. You can go on and on if you. I don't want to go in details or trying to waste your time about what police can do. But you yourself, many of you know, it's not a news. It's not something that you can say that you will say, I'm not aware of. It's not secret. It's no secret at all. So please tell me what you think about the recruitment. So just tell me what you think about it. What is your opinion? What do you have to say about this announcement that CS made, that USB government are currently now, taking people? Recruitment is ongoing, as you can see here. That is official handle of COS. So, and everything is there. If you need more information, all you need to do is to go to her handle if you want more. But all the information that I have is what I've shown to you. But if you want, if maybe you're in doubt, go and verify that on her X. Please tell me what you think about it and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your own take about this recruitment that COS have announced, and make sure you share it to many platforms so that those who want to join, or those who want to be part of that, those who want to know more about it may be aware of this announcement. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now. Thank you. God bless.